everyone, welcome back to Autobrite Direct. Today we're coming to you with a product information video on our new Hellshine brushes. We've got three different types of brushes here today. We've got our long reach, our short reach, and then we've got a smaller multi-purpose brush as well. Now these brushes are great for cleaning all aspects of wheels, under arches, suspension components, on tops of motorhomes, caravans, and even under your engine bay as well. Really good sturdy construction brushes. They've got a nice ergonomic handle, really soft bristles at the end, and like I say, three different sizes for all your different cleaning needs. The only thing I would say is don't use these anywhere near any of your bodywork, because obviously we don't want brushes going near to paintwork. So let's take our brushes through to the detailing bay and we'll give you a demonstration. So we're going to start with our short reach brush. I'm just going to give you a little demonstration. So one of the best sort of uses that we've found for this brush is actually to clean your tyres, so clean your tyre walls. So this wheel has been pre-rinsed with citrus, we've washed it off, so now we're just going to tackle the tyre. So we're just going to have a little bit of bright gel around the edge of the tyre, and then we're just going to use our short reach brush just to give the tyre a good scrub. There we go. Now you'll find if you've got a dirtier tyre that obviously you will get some sort of brown marks that come off it. You may take some of the old tyre dressing off as well. But yeah, that's one of the uses for one of our new Hellshine short reach brushes. So next up we've got one of our long reach brushes. Ideally you can use this underneath your arches to clean your plastic arch liners. You could also use it to go underneath your sills, but making sure that you keep it away from any painted surfaces. So if you've got plastic sill plates and you want to get underneath, this is ideal for that. Also as well, bristles are nice and soft if you've got a fabric soft top. Great for using on your soft top, so you can use it so you can reach right into the middle. So we're just going to use it on the arch today. Now underneath in the arch we've got some citrus wash. So what we're going to do is pop the brush in and just agitate the citrus, getting right up to the edge on the inside of the arch, usually where most of the dirt and grime gathers. Now obviously all arches vary in size depending on the size of the tyres, etc. The bristles are compressible on the brush, so it will fit into most spaces as long as there's enough room. So we can get right to the back of the arch there, right inside, all the way down to the bottom. Again, being careful, keep it away from the paintwork. There we are. And then we'll just give that a little rinse now, and that should be nice and clean and ready for dressing. And finally we're moving on to the smallest brush in the range, which is this one here. Now this is a great little brush for getting into all those intricate areas. It can be used inside the vehicle and outside as well. So here we're just getting into the grooves on the speaker vents, and also down into your air vents there, being careful not to touch the piano black. And then we've got the small compartments that you get in the middle. Just gets into all those little nooks and crannies, and then onto your door cards. You've got the seam on the fabric on the door cards. Get any little bits of dust and debris out of there. So with the shape of this brush, obviously with it being quite linear, it's good for getting into those linear areas on the door cards and any areas that have lots of straight thin lines. And then moving on to the seats, especially if you've got leather seats, you have the seam in the middle. It's great for removing the dust and bits that fall in between the gaps, which can then be vacked out. And then moving on to the exterior of the vehicle, under the engine bay, all those small areas that you have under the engine bay, on top of the suspension components, around any seams and seals. Great brush for removing all those deposits. So there we go, those are our three new brushes in the Hellshine range. Long reach, short reach, and also the small brush as well for all those intricate areas. Just a point and note guys, on these brushes, looking after them. If you are going to get them wet, then when you store them, make sure you rinse them out so there's no chemicals or dirt left on them. And they come with these convenient little holes in the top. So if you can, hang them up, let them drip dry, don't leave them in water, and they'll be there for years to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.